Say Java quick tutorial for Selenium. Java quick tutorial. See, first you take any programming language or scripting language, 80% skeleton same. For example, writing comments, data types, variables, operators, conditional statements, loop statements, all are common. Syntax may vary from one language to another, but purpose same. 80% skeleton same. If you learn any programming language, any computer programming language, then you can easily learn other languages. Okay, see first I will explain index, then topics one by one. Anyhow, it is quick tour. Okay, see Java is an object-oriented programming language. For example, C language, structured programming language. Java is an object-oriented programming language. See, in this session, we are going to discuss first Java environment setup. Java environment setup. See, in order to write and execute Java programs, first we need to set up an environment. Java environment setup and verify the environment. Next, say Selenium supports 6 programming languages: Java, C#, Python, Perl, Ruby, and PHP, etc. See, we are going to use Java for programming, for writing test scripts. Why Java? Nearly 77% testers, Selenium testers using Java. If you use Java, you can get more documentation and code implementation from internet. Okay, anyhow, that I will explain later. First, how much Java is required for Selenium? See, for Selenium test automation, core Java is enough. Advanced Java is not required. See, we can segregate Java for Selenium into 2 categories. First one, Java fundamentals. Java fundamentals. Java fundamentals. Second one, Java object-oriented programming concepts. Java OOPS. OOPS. OOPS stands for object-oriented programming system. Next, Java fundamentals. What are the important topics? See here, first comments. Writing comments. Why I am writing first comments? See, no restrictions and no limitations for writing comments. You can write first line as comment, middle line as comment, or last line as comment. No restrictions and no limitations for writing comments. Anyhow, comments not mandatory in computer programming. Optional but best practice. If you write meaningful comments, then code is readable. You and your team members or any other people can easily read the code, easily understand the code. Okay. Next, Java data types. Data types. Next, Java modifiers. Modifiers. Next, variables. Variables. Next, operators. See, these concepts not only in Java. You take any programming language or scripting language, these are the common concepts. Some features may vary from one language to another, and syntax may vary from one language to another. For example, in C language, no object concept. C is structured programming language, no object concept. In Java, everything is object except primitive data types. Next, syntax may vary. Okay. Next, conditional conditional statements. Conditional statements. Next, loop statements. Loop statements. Next, string handling in Java. String handling. String handling. Next, arrays. Arrays. Next, IO, input and output. IO stands for input and output. IO operations. IO operations and file handling. File handling. Next, Java methods. Java built-in methods. Built-in methods. Predefined methods. Next, user-defined methods. Java user-defined methods. Next, important one, Java exception handling. Exception. Exception handling. See, these are the important concepts for our test automation under this Java fundamentals. Next, whoops. See, we have 4 fundamentals of whoops. Have any idea? Madhuri, whoops concepts. Common in C++ also you can find whoops concepts. Venkat, can you hear me? Venkat. Praveen Rao.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have any idea about whoops concepts, Madhuri?
Not really, sir. Conditional statement.
Conditional statements, not whoops, basics. Okay. Say 4 fundamentals of whoops. First one, inheritance. Inheritance. Next,
Polymorphism.
somebody trying to tell me, Pradvipal.
Polymorphism.
Yes, polymorphism. Polymorphism. Next,
Abstraction.
abstraction. Abstraction. Next, encapsulation. Encapsulation. Okay. See, these are the concepts that required for Selenium. See how much Java is required. Core Java is enough. Advanced Java not required. We can segregate Java for Selenium into 2 categories. One is Java fundamentals. Next, Java whoops. Okay, come to mainstream. First, before going to discuss Java topics, first Java environment setup and verify. Just a quick tour. Say, first theoretical steps I will explain, then how to download and how to verify the environment, how to download and install. See, first steps. Steps. Download Eclipse IDE. Download Eclipse IDE and extract. Just extract. No need to install. Next, download Java software. Here particularly you download JDK, it has Java command, Java compiler command. You can execute Java programs from command line prompt also. Anyhow, that I will discuss in detailed program chapters. Here only quick tour. JDK software and install. Okay. Follow the first two steps. Praveen Rao, follow the steps. First Eclipse.
Yes, sir.
From Google search engine, you type Eclipse download, Eclipse for Enterprise Edition developers. See here eclipse.org site is there. Here left side observe, we have different flavors of Eclipse. You can download any one. See maximum all are providing common concepts. Some features may vary. You can download any flavor. Neon, Mars, Luna, etc. I downloaded Luna. If you want to download Luna, here select Luna packages. See, these are different flavors. Here select Eclipse IDE for Java Enterprise Edition, EE developers. Next, observe right side, Windows 32-bit. See, my operating system is Windows 32-bit. See, based on your operating environment, you download the software. See, Windows 32-bit, Windows 64, Mac, Linux, etc. options available. Suppose mine is Windows 32-bit operating system. I'm going to download this one. See, just a minute. 32-bit operating system. This Eclipse site is slow site. Freeware. Observe Prudvipal. Here, downloadable file is there. Zip file. Click this one. Just a minute. Okay. Here, you can download to your hard disk. It is zip file. After downloading, just extract that one. Okay. Observe. I extracted to desktop. After extracting the folder, we can get this one. Here, Eclipse launcher file is there. By clicking that Eclipse file, you can launch Eclipse IDE. You can launch Eclipse IDE. Okay. Next, Java software. Observe Java download. Here you can download Java from either java.com or oracle.com. See, Java developed by Sun Microsystems. Now it is subsidiary of Oracle Corporation. See here, Java Oracle Corporation. Click this link. Here, Java download, Java platform JDK. You click this image link. Next, here accept the agreement. Next, here different softwares available based on your operating environment. You select here Windows x84, Windows x86, Solaris, Mac, Linux, etc. Suppose mine is Windows x86. You click this executable file link. Click this link and save the Java software in hard disk. After save, install. After installation, you can get Java folder in your program files main folder. Observe C drive, program files, here Java. Okay na, Praveen Rao? Santosh,
Sir.
did you follow these
Yeah.
two steps? Download Eclipse and
Yeah.
extract, download Java and install.
Yeah.
Okay, next come to launch Eclipse IDE. See, observe next steps. Launch Eclipse IDE. Next, first create. See, we need to verify the environment setup. First launch Eclipse IDE, then create Java project. Under the Java project, create Java package, create Java package. Under the Java package, you can create Java classes or programs. Create Java class. Say first Java project, next package, next Java class. Say under a Java package, you can create multiple packages. Under a Java package, you can create multiple classes. Then just a minute. After creating this Java class, write Java program, write Java program and execute. Write Java program and execute. Observe first launch Eclipse IDE. Okay. First create Java project, file menu, new. Observe Java project. Observe Pradvipal. In some flavors of Eclipse IDE, you cannot find
Yes,
this
sir.
Java project option. That time you
So
go
others
to other,
go to
here type Java. Here Java project is there now.
yes, sir.
You can select Java project. Okay. See, in some
Okay, sir.
flavors of Linux, in some flavors of Eclipse, you cannot find Java project option, direct option. No issue. You go to other and select Java project. In my Eclipse, Java project option available. Select the option. Next, name. Suppose Selenium testing. This is my, just a minute. Testing. This is my project name. Finish. Next, create Java package. All of you put mute after answering the question. Put mute, Prudvipal. Next, create Java package. First, select Java project. New. Select Java project and right click new package. Suppose package is ABCD. Finish. Next, what is the next step, Santosh?
Create
Follow Santosh. Only three names. Why you forgot? Java project, Java package, next Java
Java
class.
class, right?
Java class.
Class.
Select Java package and right click new class. Suppose class name class 1. Here some syntax rules. Anyhow, that I will explain in future chapters. Just idea. Every class name should start with capital letters, uppercase value. Next, here you can generate main method. Otherwise, you can type main method. What is the purpose of main method? Say, Java program execution starts from main method. If you don't write main method, it is predefined method. If you don't write main method, then program won't be executed. Java program execution starts from main method. This is one syntax rule, remember. Next, class names should start with uppercase value. See here, capital C. Okay. Next, suppose one statement, system dot out dot println. What is this statement? I will explain later. Suppose Selenium testing semicolon. One more syntax rule. In Java, every statement should end with semicolon. Every statement, every normal statement should end with semicolon. Run the program. No need to compile. Here, auto compilation. Click OK. See, it is showing output on the output console. This is Eclipse IDE output console. Okay now? Madhuri, did you follow this one? We verified the environment now.
Yes, sir.
See, just a minute once again. Just I'm deleting this one. Guide me, Madhuri. Guide me. I want to create a Java program. For that, guide me the steps. First,
go to File.
File menu.
Then
New.
Then Java project. New.
Enter the name. Suppose Selenium testing. You can use any meaningful name. Finish.
Yes, sir.
Next, select Java project and right click. New.
Right click.
Package. Enter package name. Enter package name. It is not creating. Suppose XYZA. Finish.
Then.
Oh, just a minute. Oh, it is not deleting. Delete. Delete project contains on disk. Complete. Now observe file new Java project. Suppose Selenium testing. Finish. Next. New. Select the Java project and package. Suppose ABCD. Finish. Next, select Java package. New class. Suppose class name class 1. Otherwise, sample. First letter, capital letter. Sample. Next here, check this checkbox. Public static void main method. Program execution starts from main method. Next, write statements. This time I will write another statement. Suppose int is data type. Int a equal to 10, comma b equal to 20, semicolon. In Java, every statement should end with semicolon. Next, display system.out.println of suppose a plus b. This plus is operator. You can add message also. Suppose addition of a comma b is, then concatenate, plus observe Pradipal, a plus b. This plus is addition operator. Next, one more plus is there. This plus acts as concatenation operator. Anyhow, that we will discuss in operators chapter. See, addition of, this is message optional. Message and that mathematical value. Run the program. It will show addition of AB is 30. Okay na, Madhuri? This is one sample. This is one sample Java program. sample Java program. See, first environment setup, then verify. We verified the environment. Next, come to Java concepts. First concept, comments. Comments. See, quick tour. Just listen. Later we will discuss each and every concept in detailed manner. Actually, this environment setup and verify environment setup, this takes nearly one class, 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Okay, comments. What is the purpose of comments? Prithvi Madhavi, purpose of comments in computer programming.
To understand like what exactly the program says, sir.
Okay.
The statement says.
See, purpose of comments in computer programming, not only in Java. Computer programming. Observe. First one, to make the code readable. To make the code readable. It is primary purpose. Next, to make the code disable from execution. To make the code disable from execution. This is secondary purpose. Observe, suppose I wrote 100 lines of code. I don't want to execute all these 100 lines in this iteration. I want to execute only 50 lines of code. You can make remaining 50 lines of code as comment. Whenever you want to execute all lines of code, then uncomment it. See, to make the code readable or understandable. Next, to make the code disable from execution. Next, Java supports single line comment and multiple lines comments. See, I will show example. If I write, see, I will send the notes, fair notes. If I write everything, it takes more time. I will concentrate on practical and just explanation, simple explanation. See, Java supports single line comment and multiple lines comment. Observe. Say, I want to write single line comment, 2 forward slashes. It is a sample Java program. It is a sample Java program. Just a minute. Hello Java. Hello Java. Just a minute. Suppose you can write multiple lines also or single line. Say, in this small program, we have two outputs. One is just a message, hello Java. Another is message with variables value. Two outputs. Run the program. Say hello Java. Addition of a comma b is 30. Now I want to make these 3 lines as comment. 3 lines as comment. Observe. Forward slash, hashtag symbol. Next at end, hashtag symbol, forward slash only. Not before this one. Hashtag symbol, forward slash. Observe. Now these 3 lines commented. Run the program. It will execute only one statement. Okay. Next, if you want to execute all lines, remove this block comment. Run the program. Otherwise, Eclipse IDE navigation is there. Eclipse IDE navigation. First, select statements. Go to source menu. Add block comment. run hello Java. Next, uncomment. Select comment block, source menu, remove block comment. Run the program. Hello Java, addition of a comma b is 30. Okay, now Madhavi, two types of syntax.
Yes, sir.
Comments. What are the two types? Single line syntax, single line comment, multiple lines comments. Next, Java data types. Java data types. Observe Pradipal, what is data type? A data type is a classification of the data. A data type is a classification of the type of data that a variable or object can hold in computer programming. Okay, na? See, you tell me some general data types, not only in Java, general data types.
Sir, string,
String, general data types.
characters,
Character,
integers,
character. Next,
integers,
integer. Next, floating point value, decimal point, float. Next, long float, double. Next, string,
string,
string. Next, logical values, boolean, true or false,
boolean, sir.
etc. These are general data types you can find in any language. Okay, our Java supports two categories of data types. Java supports two categories of data types: primitive data types, reference data types. That I will explain later. Just I will provide one small example. Java supports primitive data types and reference data types. See, character, integer, float, double, string, boolean, these are general data types. Just a minute. Small example. Int is data type. See, Java is case sensitive language. Difference is there in between uppercase and lowercase. Java keywords are lowercase keywords. Observe, this package is Java keyword, public is Java keyword, class is Java keyword, static is Java keyword, void is Java keyword, int is Java keyword. Keywords or reserved words are small letters in Java. Java is case sensitive language. Say, so far we discussed four syntax rules. One is Java class name should start with class name, sample. Java class name should start with uppercase value. Next, uh, Java program execution starts from main method. Next, every normal statement should end with semicolon. Next, Java is a case sensitive language. All Java keywords are in small letters. Okay. Int variable name a equal to value some 10. Next, char character b equal to here single character only, single quote, use single quote, semicolon. Next, double floating point value, double c equal to, suppose no quotes for numeric values, 123.456 semicolon. Next, boolean, boolean, boolean d equal to, suppose true, true or false. This is logical type. If you want to display, suppose SYSO control space enter, short form for display statement A. Just a minute. See, B, C, D. Run the program. See, displaying values of variables. Displaying values of variables. Observe Praveen Rao. Here int. What is int? Praveen Rao, what is int? Int.
It's a data type, integer data type.
Integer data type. See, somebody having no name. First person waiting for name. Who is that person? Okay. See, just a minute. Krishna Chaitanya. Can you hear me, Krishna Chaitanya? Aarti.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I can hear you, sir. Thank
Okay.
you.
What about Venkat? Venkat only not responding. Remaining people responding. Santosh, Praveen Rao, Madhuri, Madhavi. Okay. Continue, Praveen Rao. Int is data type. Integer data type. Char is character data type. Double is double data type. Boolean is Boolean data type. All these are data types. Okay, na?
Yeah.
Come to next one. Quick. Java modifiers. Java modifiers. Pradvipal, what is the purpose of modifiers in computer programming? Not only in Java. Java modifiers. Modifiers. See, modifiers are used to set access levels for classes, variables, and methods. Access level for classes, variables, and methods. We have two types of modifiers in Java. One is two categories of modifiers, not two modifiers. One is access modifiers, another is non-access modifiers. Access modifiers, default, public, private, protected. Non-access modifiers, static, final, abstract, synchronized, etc. See, in our test automation, most of the time we use public modifier only. Ours is teamwork. We share all our resources. Just a minute. I will show an example. Suppose here class public. This can be accessible everywhere. Outside of the package, outside of the project also. Next, suppose variables, public variable before main method. Declare public variables before main method. Public int a equal to 10, comma, b equal to 20, semicolon. Next, create one method, user defined method. Just a minute. Public void means return type nothing. Method name add, open and close parenthesis, open curly braces. Next, suppose int result. Next, result equal to a plus b. A plus b. Display the result. See, this is method. Observe Prudvipal. This result is variable, na?
Yes, sir.
What type of variable? Local variable, isn't it? It
Yes,
can
sir.
be used within the block only, within this block only. See here we used open curly braces, close curly braces. Local variables can be used within those blocks only, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Next, global variables can be used anywhere. Observe here A. Here we are using A in this block also. Next, in order to access methods, we need to create object. Without object also we can access. That I will explain in methods chapter. Just I'm going to create one method. How I'm going to create object. Using object we can access or call methods. First create object, using object call methods. Without object also we can call methods, that is static method, that I will explain later. First create object. How to create object? Class name, next object name. You can use any meaningful name. OBJ, put mute after answering the question. Prudvipal. Somebody make noise, avoid that one. OBJ equal to, again new keyword, new class name, semicolon. Then you can access that method. OBJ dot add. Run the program. What is the output, Madhavi? Output of this program. Madhuri,
A plus B, sir.
what is the output of this program?
It will be integers.
30, just 30. I'm asking just a fair output. A plus B, that is formula. 30 na?
Yes, sir.
You are confusing. See here, observe. Public is modifier, access modifier. Next, public is, see we used public before this variable. This is access modifier, means this variable you can access this variable anywhere. Next, method also public. Next, here we used static. This is non-access modifier. What is the purpose of that modifier, that we will discuss in modifiers chapter. Just remember here, focus on public modifier, public class, public variable, public method. Java modifiers. What are Java modifiers? Praveen Rao, what are Java modifiers? Modifiers are used to set access levels for classes, variables and methods. Modifiers are used to set access levels for classes, variables and methods. We have two types of modifiers in Java: access modifiers, non-access modifiers. Okay, come to next topic. Fourth one, variables. This is also general. Can you tell me, Santosh, what is variable?
It is used to store a value.
It's used to store data. Okay, say
Data.
a named memory location to store temporary data. See, variables won't store on hard disk, only in RAM, primary memory, RAM only. See, a named memory location to store temporary data within a program. A named memory location to store temporary data within a program. In Java, we have three types of variables: local variables, instance variables, class level variables. Class variables are static variables. Come to the example. Say, observe Prudvipal, public static int a. This is class level variable. Next, B equal to 20. See, these two are class level variables. We used public keyword and static class level variables. Public is access modifier, static is non-access modifier. Next, int C, it is just second type. What is that second type? Instance variable. Int C equal to 30. Int C equal to 30. Next, if you want to display, say static variables declaration before main method, remaining variables after main method. Suppose SYSO control space enter C. C is instance variable. See, it will display first output 100, second output 30. Run the program 100, 30. Next, just one code block. Just a minute. If A greater than B, this is conditional block. Say block should enclosed with curly braces. See, one more syntax rule. Every normal statement should end with semicolon. Semicolon. Next, code blocks enclosed with curly braces. Suppose here int d equal to some 40. Next, just a minute. SYSO control space enter A plus C plus D. A plus C plus D. Next, if you want to display only D, SYSO control space enter D. Next, after this code block, try to display D variable D. Observe Praveen Rao, it is showing error. Why? See, respond quickly. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir. Showing error.
Why it is showing error? See, who is that person? Dilpreet? Krishna Chaitanya, why it is showing error?
Because it is accessing outside the block.
See, it is a local variable. D is local variable. Okay, Venkat. Venkat, still you are not using mic. See, D is local variable declared within this block. See, within this block only you can access that variable. But A is static variable, class level. C is instance variable. You can access within the blocks also, but this is not allowed. Local variable. See, 100, 30, 170, 40. This is 170. This is 40. See, you can declare different types of variables also. Just a minute. I will show another small example. Okay, Saloni. Saloni, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I guess, caller one.
Okay. Just a minute. Declare different types of variables. Suppose char A equal to some character. Next, int b equal to some value. Next, double c equal to 123.456. Next, boolean d equal to some true or false, any one. Okay. Observe Santosh.
Yes, sir.
Here, what is this char?
Character.
Data type. Try to identify
Data
the
type.
keywords. Char is data type,
And-
isn't it?
Yeah,
Next, what is this a? Small a?
it's variable.
Variable name. Next, what is this z?
It's a value.
Value. Okay, na? See, int is
Yeah.
variable, b is variable name. Next, 100 is value. See, later you can change the values. Variable values may vary throughout the execution. But, and one more thing, no duplicate variables. Suppose if you use same variable name, it won't accept. Variable names must be unique in the scope of declaration. Okay. Okay, now Madhuri, are you following?
Sir. Yes, sir, I'm following.
Okay, anyhow, it is quick tour. We will discuss each and every concept in detailed manner in Java for Selenium module. Operators. Operators in Java. See, Java has a rich set of operators. First of all, what are operators? Operators are used to perform mathematical comparison and logical operations. Operators are used to perform mathematical comparison and logical operations. See, Java has a rich set of operators. Our test automation point of view, 4 categories of operators are important. See, 4 categories of operators. First category, arithmetic. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. Next, relational operators. Next, logical operators. Before this, one more thing, assignment operators. Next, logical operators. See, other categories also there, bitwise operators, etc. Our test automation point of view, these 4 categories are sufficient, etc. Say first, you take this arithmetic operators. Here, what are the operators available? Arithmetic. Addition operator, sign plus sign. It acts as addition and string concatenation, that I will explain later. String concatenation. Next, subtraction. Minus symbol. It acts as subtraction operator, subtract It can be used for subtraction as well as negation. Suppose if you want to write negative value -100, that minus is subtraction symbol only. Suppose a minus b, that is subtraction. Suppose -100, just -100, negation. Next, multiplication. Multiplication, star symbol. Next, division. Division, /. Next, modulus. It returns remainder, percentage symbol. Next, increment, ++. Next, decrement. Decrement, -. See, these are the important arithmetic operators. I will show the example. I will show example. Simple example. Anyhow, in operators chapter, we will discuss all concepts, each and every concept. Next, relational operators, or you can say comparison operators. Have any idea, Saloni, relational operators?
Yes, sir. Greater than and less than sign.
Yes. First, equals to, double equals to, single equal to assignment operator, double equal to relational operator. Next, just a minute. This is one operator. This is double equal to. Next, greater than. Next, greater than or equal to. Next, less than. Next, less than or equal to. Next, not equal to. Exclamation equal to. See, these 6 are the relational operators, or you can say comparison operators. See, relational operators written Boolean result means logical result, true or false. But arithmetic operators written value based result. Suppose 5 plus 3, 8, 10 into 3, 30, value based result. Next, relational operators written Boolean result. Okay, next come to assignment operators. Assignment. Equals to. Next, plus equal to, addition and equal, add and equal, add and assign. You can say add and assign. First one, assignment. Second one, add and assignment. Third one, subtract and assignment. Next, multiply and assignment, etc. These are the assignment operators. Next, come to logical operators. Logical operators. Logical not operator, logical not operator. Symbol, this one. What is this symbol, Aarti?
Exclamation point.
Exclamation point. Next,
Exclamation point.
logical and operator. Logical and operator. We use logical operators to form compound conditions. Double ampersand. Next, logical or operator. Or operator. This symbol. Observe, Praveen Rao. What is this symbol? Praveen Rao.
Yes,
Santosh.
Yes, sir.
What is this symbol? Not operator, or operator.
Uh,
Madhuri, what is this symbol?
Don't know, sir.
Krishna Chaitanya. Name, symbol name.
Or operator?
R operator, okay. I am asking symbol name. This symbol. Observe this symbol. Selected one. Arti.
Pipe.
Pipe symbol. Pipe symbol. See, observe Madhuri, Praveen Rao, Santosh. Are you following? Anyhow, it is
Yes.
quick tour. Following.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, cool. See, I will show one small example for operators. Example. Say launch Eclipse IDE. Declare declare three variables: int a, comma b, comma c semicolon. See, just I am declaring variable, then assign values. Otherwise, in declaration statement only you can assign values. See, a equal to 10, b equal to 20, c equal to 30. Just a minute. Semicolon. Next, see another usage. Suppose addition. SYS control space enter a plus b. It will return 30. Next, just a minute. A minus b. It will return minus 10. Next, a multiply. It will return 300. Not 300, 200. Next, division. Next, observe Madhuri, A modulus B. What is the remainder? Otherwise, B modulus A. What is the remainder?
2.
2. Remainder 20 by 10. 10 into 2, 20. Remainder 0 na?
0. Yes, sir.
Remainder 0. Suppose 10 modulus 3. 10 modulus 3. What is the remainder? 3 into 3, 9. Remainder 1.
1.
Suppose 10 modulus 4. What is the remainder?
2.
2. Suppose 10 modulus 5.
No.
10 modulus 5. 0. 5 into 2, 10. No remainder. Getting this point, Madhuri? Remainder.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Reminder. Suppose 30 modulus 6. 30 modulus 6. What is the remainder?
5.
Reminder.
And
0.
0.
0. Yes.
Okay.
0.
Yes, sir. I got
30
it.
modulus 6, 0. Okay na? 30 modulus
Yes,
7.
sir. Yes, sir. 2.
2. Yes. Did you understand the concept? See, confirm. Okay. Understand the concept, Madhuri? Say yes or no. Do you understand
Yes,
this?
sir. I understand.
Yes, just
Yes, sir. I
confirm.
got it.
Okay. A greater than B. A greater than B. Observe Pradvipal. This greater than is relational operator, it returns Boolean result, logical result. What is the output? A greater than B.
False.
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 Just a minute. False. Next, after answering the question, put mute. A plus 10, 11. Next, say logical operators. If we use logical operators to form compound conditions, observe here two conditions. If C greater than A, this is one condition, and double ampersand. C greater than B, this is another condition, open curly braces. If C greater than A and C greater than B, then display C is a big number. Then C is a big number. Else C is not a big number. C is not a big number. Observe Santosh, first expression or first condition, C greater than A, is it true or false?
True.
C is 30, values, observe the value, C is 30 and A is 10, C greater than A, is it true or false?
True, true.
Next, C greater than B, C is 30, B is 20, is it true or false?
True.
Both are true. Then what is the output? It will
C is the big
execute
number.
first part now.
Yes.
If any one is false or both are false, then it will execute else part. If both are true, first part. What is the output? Expected output? C is a big number. Last output. Run the program. Observe the last output. C is a big number. A by B. A by B. 10 by 20. Why it is showing some zero value 200. Invalid. B. A. B by A. What is the expected? 2. Run the program. 2. Did you observe the problem? Pradipal, division operator. Earlier we used 10 by 20.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, this is a small example for operators. Operators. Just a minute. Praveen Rao, try to identify the operators categories. This plus operator. What is the category? Plus operator belongs to. Is it logical operator or relational operator or assignment operator or arithmetic operator?
It's an arithmetic operator.
Arithmetic operator. Continue, Praveen Rao. Continue. Minus sign.
It's also arithmetic operator.
This percentage sign. Modulus. Arithmetic
Modulus
only.
is also
Arithmetic only. Next, this greater than sign. 14th line. Greater than.
That is relational operator.
Relational operator. Next, here 18th line. Double ampersand.
That is logical.
Logical operator. Okay now?
Yes.
See, come to next one. What is the next one, Madhuri? As per our sequence. See, we discussed comments, data types, modifiers, variables, Operators. Next.
Conditional statements.
Conditional statements. Conditional statements.
Sir, before that,
Ah.
just a question, sir.
Ah.
Why it did not accept the A by B thing?
Illegal.
We had changed the values to B by.
Illegal.
Sorry,
What is that one? Just a minute.
for that B by A, you changed it, sir, later.
Just a minute. A by B. A by B. Just a minute. Observe. What is the? Did you understand the problem? It returns integer point value only,
Okay.
not floating point value. For floating point value, you have to take another one. Anyhow, in operators chapter, I will explain all operations. See, we didn't discuss that exponent operation also. 10 to the power of 3 like exponent. For exponentation, no operator available. For that, we have built-in methods. Here, observe, this integer is this division is integer division. Integer division,
Got it, sir.
not general division. Integer division. Suppose observe 50 by 20. What is the division? 2.5 na?
A by B. Yes, sir.
50 by 20, 2.5. It will show 2 only. 2 only na? Earlier 10 by 20.
20.
What is the output? 0.5. It returns
0.5.
integer point only now. What is the integer point?
0.
0 only.
I mean.
Okay na?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is only, it returns
Okay.
only integer point value, not complete value.
Okay. Okay.
For
Because
writing
it's
complete
on-
value, you have to take another one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next,
I
come to
understand now.
mainstream.
Thank you.
Welcome. Java conditional statements. Java conditional statements. Say we have two types of statements in Java. Two types of statements. Different types of usage. We have two types of conditional statements in Java. One is if statement, another is switch statement. Switch statement. Two types of statements in Java. Two types of conditional statements in Java. For example, VB script in UFT. Same, two types of conditional statements. If statement, select a case statement. In C language, same, if, switch case. Here, if, switch. Say, two types of conditional statements. Next, three types of conditions. One is single condition. Another is compound condition. Next, nested condition. Nested condition. Single condition, compound condition, nested condition. Single condition, compound condition, nested condition. In single condition, you can find positive condition, next negative condition, positive condition, negative condition. Say in compound conditions also you can use positive and negative conditions. In nested conditions also you can use positive and negative. Positive and negative. Okay. Next, usage. 6 types of usage. Usage. This is uh, types of condition. Types of condition. This is types of statements. Usage. 6 types of usage. Observe. I'm not going to write, just listen. First one, execute a block of statements when condition is true. This is one-way condition, no else part. Execute a block of statements when condition is true. Next, second one, execute a block of statements when condition is true. Otherwise, execute another block of statements. Next, third one, execute a block of statements when a compound condition is true. Otherwise, execute another block of statements. Next, fourth one, decide among several alternates, not only two alternates, several alternates. Else if structure. Another name of the structure is else if structure. Next, execute a block of statements when more than one condition is true. Another name of the structure, nested if. Next, decide among several alternates using switch statement. See, this switch structure is alternate for else if structure. Okay, anyhow, that we will discuss in conditional statements chapter. I will show small example. Concentrate. Small example. Before that, Santosh, can you tell me? We have two types of conditional statements in Java. What are the two types of conditional statements?
If statement and switch.
Switch statement. Next, Pradvepal, we have three types of conditions in computer programming, not only in Java. Three types of conditions.
Yes, sir. Single, compound, and nested.
Nested. Single condition, compound condition, nested condition. Next, Madhuri, usage of conditional statements. Can you tell me 3 or 4 usages? Nearly 6 usages. Execute a block of statements when condition is true. That is one-way condition, no else part. Second one, execute a block of statement when condition is true. Otherwise, execute another block of statements, means else part. Next, third one,
Okay.
execute a block of statements when compound condition is true. Otherwise, execute another block of statements. Next, fourth one, decide among several alternates, else if structure. Next, fifth one, execute a block of statements when more than one condition is true, nested if. Next, switch case, decide among several alternates. See, the switch case is alternate for else if structure. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Just I will provide a small example. Just get the awareness. Suppose int a equal to 100, comma b equal to 20. Okay. Next condition, if a greater than b, if a greater than b, open curly braces, close curly braces. See, if a greater than b, then a is a big number. Observe Praveen Rao. This is one-way condition na. Single
Yes, sir.
condition and one-way condition, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Single condition and one-way condition. Here observe the values. A is 100, B is 20. So A is a big number. See, expected output, A is a big number. Okay. Next, observe Saloni. A is 10, B is 20. Condition is false. Then what is the output? Saloni.
Yes, sir.
What is the output? Nothing.
Sir,
Nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah.
See, here only one way condition. If condition is true, then execute the statements. If condition is false, don't do anything. Bypass the condition. Say, observe, run the program. Nothing. Any confusion, Saloni? Any confusion?
got it, sir.
Okay. Next, Madhuri, without disturbing the meaning, use negative condition for this scenario. I want to check A is greater than B or not. Without disturbing the meaning, use negative condition.
We are not.
Observe. Negation, negative sign. If B greater than A, B greater than A. Same meaning na?
Yes, sir.
A greater than
It will
B
be a big one.
or B not greater than A. Same meaning na? Not B greater than A. Not B greater than A
Yes,
means
sir.
A greater than B only, isn't
It is a
it?
big number. Yes, sir.
Not B greater than A means A greater than B only. Earlier we used
Then
positive condition, this time negative condition. See, based on your convenience, you can use them. No restrictions. Observe. Nothing. Suppose A 100, B 20. Run the program. Now it is showing A is big number. See, this is negative condition. Negative. Earlier we used positive condition. Next, anyhow, these two are one-way conditions. Next, two-way. Observe. Suppose A greater than B, A greater than B, type else. If A greater than B, then display A is a big number, else open curly braces, close curly braces. You can open this curly braces in the same line or in the next line also. Next, SYSO control space enter, short form for display statement. Here any meaningful message. B is a big number. Observe Arthi, observe the input data, observe the values of variables A100, B20. Here condition is A greater than B. Is it true or false?
Yeah, true. A is a big
Then
number.
what is the output? A is a big number. Okay, A is a big number. Next, A10, B20. This time condition false na.
Yeah, B is a big number.
B is a big number. See, this is two-way. B is a big number. Santosh, are you following?
Sir.
Okay. Anyhow, in conditional statements chapter, I will show all flavors. Here only just a quick tour. Come to next one. Seventh topic. Loop statements. Loop statements. See, loop statements for repetitive execution. We have 4 loop structures in Java. 4 loops in Java. What are the 4? First one, for loop, for loop. Next, while loop. Next, do while loop, do while loop. Next, enhanced for loop, enhanced for loop. Okay, in VB script also 4 loops: for loop, while loop, do while or do until loop. Next, the next one, for each next loop. Here enhanced for loop. See, first 3 loops purpose almost all same, repetitive execution. Last loop purpose some different. For first 3 loops we use variables. For last loop we use arrays. What is the purpose of that fourth loop? That we will discuss in loops chapter. Just I will show some small example. Examples. Observe, Prudvipal.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I want just a minute. First, my small requirement: print 1 to 10 numbers. Say for open curly braces, open parenthesis, declare variable int I equal to 1. This is starting value, semicolon, not comma, semicolon. Next, I less than or equal to 10. This is end value, comma. Next, increment or decrement, open curly braces. Next, display the I variable. See, I. Just a minute. Run the program. It will display 1 to 10 numbers. 1 to 10. Observe, Madhuri. I want to display 10 to 1. 10 to 1 numbers. Suppose 10 to 1 numbers.
10 to 1.
Change the logic.
I equals
Initial
to
I
10.
equal to 10.
I equals to 10.
10.
Yes, sir.
I greater than or equal to
1.
1. Next, I
minus
minus. Okay, na?
minus negation.
Run the program. 10, 9, 8. Say 10 to 1. Just a minute. Say you can use conditional statements separately and loop statements separately, and you can use loops within conditions and vice versa. Getting this point, Santosh? You can use only conditions
Yes, sir.
if required. You can use only loops. Next, you can use conditions with loops and loops with conditions. Within conditions, you can use loops and vice versa. Getting this point?
Yes.
Just I'm going to implement one condition within the loop. Condition within the loop. Suppose print 1 to, observe Saloni, print 1 to 5 numbers except fourth number. Fourth number. Here my condition is except fourth number. Except means condition. Condition. Just observe. Print 1 to 5 numbers for that loop required, except fourth number for that condition required. My output is 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. Say for I equal to 1, semicolon, I less than or equal to 5, semicolon. Next, increment I plus plus, open curly braces. Next, write condition. If I not equals to, this is not equal to symbol, I not equals to 4, open curly braces. Here, just a minute. We have to declare int. then display. Praveen Rao, did you understand this logic?
Yes, sir.
It will display 1, 2, 3, 5. Run the program.
5, except 4.
1, 2, 3, 5.
5.
Okay. One, 2, 3, 5. Next, same, I want to display 1 to 5 numbers using while loop. Just a minute. For while, first initialization required, int I equal to 1, semicolon. Next, while, just a condition, I less than or equal to 5, open curly braces. Next, display the I value, I. Next, after the statement, increment I plus plus, semicolon. Same output, suppose 1 to 10 numbers. Earlier we used for loop for same purpose. Run the program, see 1 to 10 numbers. This time while loop. Okay. Come to next topic. What is the next topic? Madhuri, what is the next topic?
Arrays,
Before arrays, follow the sequence.
string handling.
Yes, string handling. String handling.
String.
Eighth one. String handling. See, string is very important for our test automation. String handling. What is string? Sequence of characters. String is a sequence of characters written in double quotes. Next, string may contain alphabets or alphanumeric or alphanumeric and special characters or only numeric. Observe these 2 points. String. It is a sequence of characters written in double quotes. String may contain alphabets or numbers or special characters or alphanumeric and special characters. Example like this. Within double quotes, A, B, C, D. This is string. Next, India 1, 2, 3. This is string. Next, India 1, 2, 3. Next, star ampersand to the power of. This is also string. Next, just 1, 2, 3. This is also string. Okay, now, Madhuri, are you following this one?
Yes, sir.
Just
Yes,
a minute.
sir.
Cool. So you can display, suppose here using string object. String is object in Java. It's not variable. String is object. Using this string, you can declare string. Suppose string A equals to ABCD, semicolon. Otherwise, just a minute. Selenium. And small example, string B equal to testing. Next, string C, just a minute. String C equal to 1, 2, 3, comma, D equal to symbols, comma, E equal to You can declare multiple in a in single statement by separating with commas. Equal to, suppose, India 1 2 3 semicolon. Okay, see SYSO control space enter. A string is object, you can apply built-in methods. A dot concat another string B. What is the output, Saloni?
Selenium testing.
Yes, Selenium testing. Selenium, no space, testing. If you want space, here you can use space, or after Selenium also you can use space. Okay. Next, SYSO control space enter. A plus B. Yes, you can use A plus B also, Venkat, concatenation operator. This is concat method. You can use operator also. Yes, concat is method, not function. See, A plus B. This is operator. I'm not explaining on concepts, just brief concepts. Selenium testing. Here, plus operator acts as concatenation operator. Next, C. Next, E. C. It will display 1, 2, 3. E. It will display India 1, 2, 3. You can use special characters also. D we didn't use, that's why it is asking, it is showing yellow symbol. We didn't use C, D. Run the program. Okay, na, Pradipal?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have so many string operations, comparing strings, concatenating strings, etc. that we will discuss later. Next, come to next topic, arrays. 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 Arrays in Java. See, in C language, array is variable, scalar variables for storing one value at a time, array variables for storing series of values at a time based on size of the array. In C language, structured programming language, array also variables. One type of variables, scalar variables, array variables. But in Java, array is object. Observe, array is a collection of similar type of elements. See, we can store similar type of elements only. Suppose if it is integer type array, only integer values. Next, string type array, only string. Boolean type array, only boolean. Array is a collection of similar type of elements. Next, in Java, array is an object that contains elements of similar data type. Next, Java array is index based. Index starts from 0. Suppose size is 3. Index 0, 1, 2. 0 to n minus 1. Next, each item in array is called as element. Just I will show one small example. Anyhow, remember purpose of arrays. Krishna Chaitanya, can you tell me purpose of arrays? For storing. Krishna Chaitanya, not available. Aarti, can you tell me what is the purpose of arrays in computer programming? For storing multiple series of values at a time based on size of the array, isn't it?
Yeah, yes, sir.
If it is variable, variable can hold one value at a time. Value may vary throughout the execution, but one value at a time, na?
Yeah, yes, sir.
If you want to hold multiple values or series of values at a time, then choose array. Find the difference between these two, Madhuri, array and variable.
Yes.
What is the difference? Tell me. Variable for
It is for a single value, whereas
holding
array
one
it is
value at a
stored
time.
for
It is for holding one
holding
value at a
one.
time. Next, arrays
For arrays,
holding
it is
series of
it is
values at a
storing
time
series of
based on size of the
sing-
array. Suppose size is 10, you can store 10 values. Size is 20, you can store 20 values. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
See, observe. I will show an example. We have different methods. Concentrate, Prithvi Pal Singh.
Yes, sir.
See, first method, 3 steps. Int a, square brackets. This is just array declaration. Integer type array. Next, you can declare character type array, string type array, boolean type array, etc. This is integer type array. This is declaring array. Next, a equal to new keyword, new int of 3, defining size. Next, assign values. Suppose 0 based index, a of 0 equal to 10. Next, a of 1 equals to 20. Next, a of 2 equals to 30, like this. Suppose SYSO, a of 1, a of 1 plus a of 2. It will show 20 plus 30, 50. Run the program. 50. Okay. Just a minute. See here, I used 3 steps. First declaring array, then define size, then assign values. Declare array, define size, next assign values. Next, two steps. Declare array with size. How? Suppose a square brackets equal to new int of 3. Observe, Madhuri, here only 2 steps. First step, declare array with size. Next, assign values. Getting? Same. Next, only one step. 3 steps, 2 steps, single step. Observe. Declare array. Next, assign values directly. Based on that values, it considers size. Suppose within square brackets, curly braces, 10, 20, 30. Close curly braces, semicolon. Observe, Santosh. Here only single step na.
Yes, sir.
50. See, first I used 3 steps. Declare array, define size, assign values. Next 2 steps. Declare array with size and assign values. Next only one step. Declare array and assign values. Based on that values, it considers size. Next, you can declare different types of arrays. Example 2. Example 2. Observe. Int a something. This is array of integers. Array of integers. Next, int b square brackets equal to not int, just a minute, I will change. Char character type, open curly braces, suppose single quotes, a comma b comma c comma z, like that, small letter or capital letter, comma 7 single quote. It is also character. If we use single quote, character only, semicolon. This is array of characters. Array of characters. Next, string C equals to double quotes UFT. Next, within double quotes, Selenium. Just a minute. Next, RFT, etc. This is array of Pradipal, array of
String type.
strings. Array of strings. Next, Boolean D equals to open curly braces. Don't use double quotes. These are reserved words. True, false, true, like this. This is array of Boolean values. Boolean values, or you can say logical values. Next, suppose double E equals to open curly braces 123.456 comma 245 comma 245 345 dot like this. This is array of decimal values. Like this. Next, come to next topic. What is the next topic, Saloni? Aarti? Pardon?
Oops concept.
What concept, Saloni? Remember? Tell me once again.
Oops concept.
Oops.
Java oops concept.
No.
Yes.
Some other concepts also there. Java not completed. Fundamentals not completed. IO operations are there now. See, after arrays, IO operations, file handling. There na?
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Yes, sir.
Next, IO operations. Come to this one. 10th, 10th concept. Java IO. IO stands for, Madhuri, IO stands for
Output, sir.
input and
Output.
output. Input and output operations. Input and output operations. See, reading data, read input, that is one flavor. Read data from files, that is another flavor that we will discuss in file handling. Read input using input devices, mouse and keyboard. Next, read data from files, that is another flavor. Here for display, we have built-in statement. For reading input, we need to create one object in scanner class. We have scanner built-in class. You create one object, you create instance or object using scanner class, then you can read input. Just observe example. Anyhow, in IO chapter, I will explain each and every concept. Here just how to read and how to display. I am creating scanner object. First, read input. Read input. Second one, write or display output. Read input. Observe Pradipal, I am going to create scanner object. Scanner. Suppose object name, any name you can use, ABC also. Scanner scan equal to new keyword for creating object. New scanner. This is built-in class. System dot in. This is input stream. Semicolon. File stream also there. See, here we are going to use built-in class. Import that one. Import. It is available in Java util package. See, imported. It is system dot in is an input stream. Input stream. Okay, scanner object. Next, display one message. Display one message. Suppose enter your name. Enter your name. Next, read the name. Name is string type data. Take string type variable. String name equals to scan object dot next line. Next, you can display that one. Suppose message optional. Your name is concatenate name. Next, suppose I want to read integer type. Suppose enter a number. Enter a number. Next, number is suppose integer type int num equal to num is variable name scan dot next int semicolon next display just I am displaying without message just num. Okay, run the program, enter your name, suppose enter, it is showing name, enter your number 123 number, observe. See next line only for string Venkat, next int only for reading int. Here it verifies the data. If you try to enter other value, it won't accept for integer. Okay. Venkat, what about your mic? Yesterday I told clearly na. See, reading messages and answer, still same problem. Remaining people are not having same problem. You try to change the computer at least. Otherwise, voice device, fix it immediately, at least by next class, Monday class. Reading messages and answering takes more time. See, read input. Next, display output on the console. Display output on the console. You know how to display. Just I will show small example. Suppose int small letters int a equal to 10, b equal to 20. Suppose I want to display a variable value. Just a. See, it will show 10. Next, I want to show message. Message is string type data. Suppose welcome to Selenium. This is string type data. It will show welcome to Selenium. Next, message with variable values. Suppose addition of a comma b is concatenate a plus b. Next, message, next variable, again message, again variable. Like that also you can display. Suppose value of a is concatenate a, again concatenate message, value of b is again concatenate b. It will show value of a is 10, Next, value of B is 20. If you want after 10, if you want comma, after 10 you want comma. Okay. Run the program. Observe 4 inputs, Santosh. First variable value, next just message, next message with value, next value message value, next value message value, message value, next message value. Okay na?
Yeah.
Any confusion?
No.
Just a minute, last 2 minutes. Observe. See, I will provide quick tour for remaining concepts in the next class. Later we will discuss each and every concept in detailed manner. This is only quick tutorial. In this quick tutorial, Java for Selenium quick tutorial, I covered nearly 10 concepts. Still some concepts pending. What are the pending concepts, Madhuri? File handling in Java, next Java built-in methods, Java user-defined methods, important.
Methods,
Next,
Java,
exception handling, exception handling. Those are those belong to which one? Java fundamentals. Next, second category, Java oops. We have
Java
4
oops.
topics in Java oops. What are the 4 topics?
Inheritance,
Polymorphism, abstraction, and
abstraction,
inheritance,
encapsulation,
polymorphism, abstraction, and
Encapsulation.
encapsulation. Okay na? Observe Prithvipal. Today we discussed first Java environment setup. Next, comments in Java, Java data types, modifiers, variables, operators, conditional statements, loop statements, string handling, arrays, and IO operations. I'm going to close the session for the week. Any queries? Any queries? First, Madhavi. Any queries? Saloni. Any queries? Saloni. Aarti.
No, I'm good, sir.
Okay,
Thank
cool.
you.
Welcome. Madhuri.
No, sir, I'm good, thank you.
Okay, cool. Welcome. Praveen Rao.
No, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Prithvipal.
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Okay, Venkat. Santosh. Santosh.
No, sir. I'm good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. We will meet on Monday, same time. Thank you.